circle. Okay, this is a character. You can creating circles, and this circle to this character I draw. Okay, this is the one circle. Fine. So make start with me and create the one line like this and two eyes here. Okay. This is the basic steps what I do here.
Sir, we can also draw these lines.
Yes, you are going to draw this line. So
Okay, sir.
our basic line is a circle and creating like this. Okay, this is a two basic line. And after that, we are creating the amazing character. Okay, you ready for that? Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
can you move your camera a bit to the right? To the left.
Last, sorry, beta.
Can you move your camera to the left?
Left.
Yeah, your pad, drawing pad to the left.
You need the camera left little bit of beta.
No, can you move your drawing pad like so you can see it? Yeah.
Now is okay, beta.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you. So now I can create this. This. So I create one character. You guys are making one character with this. Okay. And I creating one character with this. Same. Okay. The basic shape is this. So I show the character here. Okay. You want to see the character, nice character from this. See, I draw this. Okay. So I make it here one eyes. Okay. And I make it the nose like this. I make ear like this. Okay. I make this character Mostas. Before it looked like a baby, but now I can make it the Mostas. Okay. So I create here the hairstyle. This is the hair. This both side. Baby also sometime no hair, and the old man also sometime no hair, right? So that's why the baby and old man is very little similar here. So I make it the eyebrow. Okay. So I create the character over here, the old man, and you guys are creating character, your own idea. Okay. Here, this character I expecting you guys are making your own ideas. Yes, Joanna, understood, beta? Hello, Anubhav. How are you? Anubhav is there? Anubhav? So make this character eyebrow. Okay. See, I just creating character amazing. I make this character like this. And I make the nose like this one. See the nose how Okay. And I make the goof like this, the monsters. Haha, this is fun, no? This is,
Yeah, it's very funny.
yeah, I make this monsters like this.
Uh-huh.
And these guys are here is, yeah, this is the eyes line. So here is the ear, here is the ear, and the hair is like this. See the hair? This is really funny. That character are so fatty, so fat. It is the, see, I creating the just circle, using the circle and creating the amazing character for animation movie.